I don't do too much talking these days.
Hello Angel Pies and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different. As you can see, I'm in a different location. I'm actually standing in my kitchen holding my vlogging camera. Now this video is actually really highly requested, so I thought, you know what, I actually love filming it and it's something I do all the time anyway, so why not show you another segment. And today is a speed clean with me. I need to clean my very messy kitchen. It was Sunday yesterday and we had a big roast dinner and lots of food, apple crumble at the end, so there's lots and lots of stuff to clear away. So that's what we're going to do today, is show you my cleaning routine in my home. I also picked up some tips from a very well-known cleaning lady who we all know, called Mrs. Hinch. But the question is, have I truly been hinched, or have I just taken a couple of tips from her and I'm going to use them today? I'm going to show you everything before and after and I'm very excited. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Sophie, aka Sopherina, and I make many videos, fashion and lifestyle videos, and also I vlog on a separate channel. If you like that kind of thing, don't forget to click subscribe down below because it will really help my channel out. And also you don't want to miss any future videos. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so here's a plan of my kitchen at the moment. As you can see, it is a total mess. There is food, plates, bowls everywhere. So I need to start by firstly clearing off all of the things that are just sitting on the side, because you can't really wash down your sides until it's all put away.
And all the time I had the chance.
Also, just quickly, can we take a moment in time and appreciate my beautiful Christmas plates? I did actually trial run them yesterday and cook the roast dinners on these. I just think they're so gorgeous. I actually got these from HomeSense and they are from the brand called Stovetop.
These days I seem to think a lot about how the changes came about my way, and how I wonder if I'll ever see another high.
Okay, so the first thing I tend to do before my washing up is fill the sink up with hot water. Once this starts filling, I put a bit of Fairy Up liquid in there. Give it a good squeeze. And then I also put a drop of Sopherina in my washing bowl because this gives everything a really good clean. At the moment I'm using the Tropical Twist Sopherina. I'm just using this up basically before I start on my winter smells.
Now I had a lover, and I don't think I'll risk another these days, or any day soon. These days.
Okay, so with the leftover hot water after my washing up, I actually leave it in the sink, and this works as a kind of bleach activator to the sink, and it will be much easier to scrub this down in a bit. So while that washing up is drying, I'm going to work on just kind of tidying up all the bits and bobs I have on the side.
If I seem to be afraid to live that life that I have made in song, it's just that I've been losing for so long. My dad just got home. So stop my dream.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is my Astonish kitchen cleaner. This is actually something I did pick up from Mrs. Hinch, and I'm really glad I found it from her Instagram because it's actually a vegan and animal friendly bleach spray, which is very good. This is perfect for clearing down your sides and just making them really sparkling clean.
Oh, please don't confront me with my failures. Oh, I have not forgotten them.
The next thing I use is my Method multi-surface spray. This is really good for making your kitchen surfaces shiny and smelling lovely.
I'm a lot like you, pictures in my room, people I once knew, and hearts I can't untangle from my own. I go in my head, hanging by a thread, drifting through her hair. One day you will find that it's time to get your hopes up. They try to kick me, but I won't.
Using my Method spray on my tiles is honestly the best thing ever. It gives it such a lovely smell, gets rid of all the grease and makes them super shiny.
A masquerade with the lights on. Ooh, it's a feeling that I can't explain. Don't look down, everything will be fine for you now. Don't look down, everything will be fine for you now.
Okay, so this is a little tip that I've learned, and it's actually a very good one. So if you get some old lemons from your fridge that you're not going to use anymore and just cut them up in half, you will then put them in a bowl and you'll fill this bowl up with some water. Once you've filled it with water, you put it in the microwave and microwave it for about a minute. You can do a little bit more, and this will make your microwave smell amazing.
I'm a lot like you, things I wish to do, planning out my move alone, but in the company.
Okay, once the lemons are out of the microwave, they'll be slightly warm and soft, and you'll have some warm lemony water. This is actually perfect for scrubbing clean dirty surfaces. So I tend to use old lemons to clean my microwave and also just clean around the kitchen. It's very good for scrubbing stains off.
Look down, everything will be fine for you now. Don't look down, everything will be fine for you now. Don't look down, everything will be fine for you now.
So now I've cleared everything from the hob, I am going to scrub this down. As you can see, it's very messy from all the cooking we've been doing. So the first thing I do is take my Astonish spray and I spray it all over the hob. And next up I take my lemon halves, which are still quite warm, and I use them to sprinkle all over the hob and actually take away stains. So as you can see, I'm scrubbing on dirt and stains on the hob and it comes away amazingly. Honestly, warm lemons is a miracle worker. Okay, so this is a little trick I made up myself. If you have an electric hob, it's really handy to turn on the hobs when there's still residue of bleach spray on top, because it just warms everything up and helps get rid of the stains and the marks. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is clear away everything from the sink, because the next thing that needs seriously cleaning is my sink area. This gets so stained with water and just old residue of food and grease, so I love to really bleach and clean this section.
I've been out walking. I don't do too much talking these days. These days I seem to think a lot about the things that I forgot to do. And all the time I had the chance to. Now I've stopped my rambling. I don't do too much gambling these days. These days I seem to think a lot about how the changes came about my way, and how I wonder if I'll ever see another highway. Now I had a lover, and I don't think I'll risk another these days, or any day soon. These days, and if I seem to be afraid to live that life that I have made in song,
guys, so that was my nice, quick and easy speed clean with me in my kitchen. I actually really enjoyed filming today's video because it is a quick and easy speed clean. So it wasn't a deep speed clean, it was one that anyone can kind of do in 30 minutes and completely transform your room. Just this morning I had a really dirty, greasy, crazy disorganized kitchen from yesterday's big dinner and pudding and just lazy day, and now today, Monday, I've got a nice clean organized kitchen ready to get on with some work. So I feel really good about that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys seem to really like these videos on my channel, which is good because I like filming them, and also I am going to be moving house in the new year, so it's going to be really exciting doing more like homey things. So leave me any ideas that you definitely want to see on my channel in the next few weeks and months. There's going to be lots of autumn and Christmas content, so if you like that kind of thing and you like this video, please subscribe down below because it really helps my channel out and I wouldn't want you to miss any videos. Thank you very much for watching as always. I love you very much and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!